Hello, my name is Jonathan Braun, Director of Sales here at ReCar. I trust this message finds you well. As your dedicated automotive partner, we're always looking for ways to make your car driving experience even better. We're excited to share with you an exclusive offer that's tailored just for you. From October 23rd to November 10th, ReCar and Wonder Auto are pleased to provide the following fantastic deals on our tire services. $20 off install and balance of 4 tires. Ensure your vehicle's safety and performance with a fresh set of tires. When you purchase and have us install and balance a set of 4 tires, we're delighted to offer you a generous $20 discount, making your tire upgrade even more affordable. We'd also like to offer you $20 off wheel alignments. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for your vehicle's handling, tire longevity, and fuel efficiency. Get $20 off a wheel alignment at Wonder Auto to keep your vehicle driving smoothly and efficiently. We also offer a price match promise on tires at Wonder Auto. At Wonder Auto, we are committed to offering you the best value. If you happen to find a better price on the same tires we offer, don't worry, we'll match it, ensuring you get top quality tires at the most competitive prices. To take advantage of these exclusive offers, simply visit one of our Wonder Auto locations between October 23rd and November 10th. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in upgrading your tires, aligning your wheels, and providing you top-notch service to ensure your vehicle is in the best possible condition. Thank you for being a part of the ReCar and Wonder Auto family.